Hi guys, this is the Java series part 56. Now let's discuss about the multi-catch block. We have already discussed about the exception handling. Why we need exception handling? In order to maintain the normal flow of the execution of the program, we have to implement the exception handling, that using the try and catch block. Try block can be followed one or more catch blocks. Each catch block must contain a different exception handlers. Okay. Why we use multi-catch block? If we have to perform different tasks at the occurrence of different exceptions, we use the multi-catch block. I repeat it again. Why we use multi-catch block? If we have to perform different tasks at the occurrence of different exceptions, we use the multi-catch block. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the class testException6. Here I have created the main method. And C is the name of the variable. Its data type is integer. I have implemented the exception handling using try catch. In this example, I have used two catch blocks. Okay, so why we need multi-catch block? If we have to perform different tasks and the occurrence of different errors, we use the multi-catch block. Okay, now only we have discussed. In this case, I have created the array variable A. Its data type is integer. Okay, the size of this array is 5. Okay, and I try to give the 10th index value. Is it possible? No, because here a array variable maximum size is only 5. But I try to give the 10th index value. So this statement will give the error. Okay, so what will happen? The control jumps from the 10th statement to the 19th statement, because here only we have the exception handler for this error. ArrayIndexOutOfBoundsException handler, and the custom error message will be displayed on our console. Okay, so if I comment these two lines, what will happen? Here I have the variable C, and this is the expression 10 divided by 0. So what is the result? It will give the divide by 0 error, isn't it? So what will happen? The control jumps from the 11th statement to the 15th statement, that is this catch. Here we have the arithmetic exception handler. So this arithmetic exception handler only responsible to handle the error which is raised here. Okay, so custom message will be printed on our console. Okay, this statement will be executed because here we have implemented the exception handling. So the rest of the code will be executed. Okay, so in order to maintain the flow of the program, we have to implement the try catch block. In this example, we have used two catch blocks. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here, after encounter the 10th statement, the control jumps from the 10th to 19th. So we got this error message. Okay, and this is the rest of the code. Okay, now here if I comment these two lines, what will happen? First I have to save and execute again the same. Here this statement raises the error because here 10 divided by 0 is equal to divide by 0 error, isn't it? So the control jumps from the 11th line to the 15th line. Here arithmetic exception handler. So this custom message is printed, arithmetic exception occurs, and the rest of the code is also printed. Okay, so why we need multi-catch block? If we have to perform different tasks at the occurrence of the different exceptions, we use multi-catch block. Okay, I hope you all understood about the multi-catch block. Now let's discuss the nested try-catch block. Okay, what is nested try-catch block? The try-catch block is placed inside the outer try block. Okay, see this example. Here I have created the test exception 8 class. Inside this class I have created the main method, and here this is the outer try block. Inside the outer try block I have created the variable b. Its data type is integer, and this is the expression 39 divided by 10. And here I just print the b value on my console using the println method. Okay, and inside the outer try block I have placed the inner try catch. So inside this try I have created the a. Its data type is integer, and the size of a array variable is 5. Okay, and here I try to give the value for the 5th index. Is it possible? No, because here we have only the length 5. That means 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, 3rd index and 4th index, isn't it? But here I have given the 5th index. After encounter this line, the control raises the error. Okay, so what will happen? The catch block will handle the error that is raised inside the try block. Okay, here we have the exception handler, ArrayIndexOutOfBoundsException. So this is the name of the variable e. Here the inbuilt error message will be printed on our console. Okay, this catch is for the outer try block. Okay, in this statement there is no error, so this will be skipped. Okay, now let me execute this one. Here 39 divided by 10 gives 3. Okay, that value is printed here, and here we got the error only. Okay, so the control jumps from the 16th line to the 19th line. Okay, this is the exception handler, inbuilt exception class. So the inbuilt exception message, that is java.language.ArrayIndexOutOfBoundsException, index 5 out of bounds for length 5. Actually the length only 5, but the index value is up to 4, isn't it? Because the index value starts from 0, not from 1. Okay, now I change the value of this expression, that is I change 10 to 0. Okay, first I have to save. Now let me execute the same. Here this is our output. Why? Because 39 divided by 0 gives divide by 0 error. So what will happen? The control jumps from the 9th statement to the 24th statement. Okay, because this catch block is responsible to handle the error that is raised inside the try block. This is the outer try block. Okay, and this is the outer catch block. Okay, here we have the exception. This is the inbuilt parent exception class. So we got the inbuilt exception message like this. Java.language.ArithemeticException divide by 0 error. Okay, so what is nested try catch block? Try catch block is placed inside the outer try block. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of the nested try catch. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.